Klaviyo Marketing Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Klaviyo is a robust marketing automation platform tailored for e-commerce businesses aiming to scale effectively through email and SMS marketing. Designed with growth in mind, it offers tools that enable you to deliver hyper-personalized campaigns based on customer behavior, purchase history, and preferences. One of its standout features is the intuitive drag-and-drop email builder, which allows you to create visually appealing emails without technical expertise. Paired with pre-built templates and workflows, Klaviyo significantly reduces setup time while maintaining high customization flexibility. Another highlight is its advanced segmentation capabilities. You can create dynamic customer groups using real-time data from integrations with platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Magento. This means your campaigns will always reach the right audience at the right time. Additionally, Klaviyo's automation workflows, such as abandoned cart reminders, post-purchase follow-ups, and VIP customer outreach, help streamline communication, enhance engagement, and drive revenue. For analytics, Klaviyo excels by providing granular insights into campaign performance, from open rates to revenue attribution. It empowers you to track and optimize your marketing efforts, ensuring every decision is data-driven. The platform also offers A/B testing to refine subject lines, content, and send times for maximum impact. Who is Klaviyo best for? It's ideal for e-commerce entrepreneurs and marketers who prioritize data-driven strategies and personalized customer experiences. However, if you're a smaller business without a heavy focus on email and SMS marketing, the learning curve and pricing might not justify the investment. In my experience, the platform's integration capabilities are seamless, particularly for pulling data directly from your online store. While the interface is slightly overwhelming for beginners, Klaviyo provides excellent onboarding and support resources, including tutorials and live chat. Once you're familiar, it's easy to unlock its full potential and see measurable results. In summary, Klaviyo is a game changer for scaling e-commerce brands with its advanced automation, precise targeting, and insightful analytics. If personalized, high-converting campaigns are your priority, this tool delivers exceptional value.